Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and a good deal. Features also include alloy wheels, keyless ignition, rear-view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2018 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.